to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought a new updates regarding faculty recruitment. Before starting, I request you all please like, share and subscribe my channel and watch the video till end for complete information. So the first recruitment for faculty is in Jadeshwar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Balasore. It is situated in Odisha district, Balasore, and it is in Chandpur. So they have requirement for senior lecturer, lab assistant in the department of mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and telecommunication, computer science, physics, chemistry, mathematics and English. Qualification is as per AICTE norms. So as you know, for senior lecturer and lecturer, if you have for lecturer, if you have BE Tech, then you can apply. But for senior lecturer, if you are MTech and having sufficient a good number of experience, then you can apply for this senior lecturer also. For lab assistant, if you have diploma or diploma with some experience, then you can apply for this lab assistant for these departments. They have also vacancies for librarian. So the qualification required for that is bachelor in library science. They also having a vacancy for nursing sister. Qualification required is BSc nursing or ANM GNM. There is requirement of peon also, where the qualification required is higher secondary pass. So if you want to apply there, then you can send your resume by this email ID officerjit@gmail.com by mail, or you can also send your resume by post at this address, Jadeshwar Institute of Engineering and Technology, Balasore, Indian Oil Road, near Birla Tyre, Chandpur, Balasore, this pin code. Then you have to send your resume by 20th February 2021. Then they will shortlist and then they will call you for interview. It is written in that salary is negotiable. Means if you have good number of experience, then you can get more salary, and if you are fresher, then also you can get good salary, but lesser than experienced person. Next vacancy is in KLE, College of Engineering and Technology. This college is in Belagavi. Belagavi. For that they have requirement for professor, associate professor, assistant professor, instructor, physical director, assistant librarian. The vacancy of professor and associate professor is in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. For that the qualification required is PhD with minimum 5 years of experience. If you are applying for assistant professor, then the vacancy is in civil computer science and electronics communication. For civil, if you have MSc in geology, then you can apply for this assistant professor post, and they required ME MTech with first class experience will be added an advantage. Then next one, instructor. For instructor, they have vacancies in computer science, civil, mechanical, electronics and communication. If you have a diploma or BE in relevant discipline, then you can apply for instructor post. And for a physical director in sports, if you have a master in physical education and having experience, then you will be you can apply, and if you have experience, then you will be preferred. For assistant librarian, this vacancy is in library. For that, if you have master in library science and having experience, then you can apply. The application should be in prescribed format, which can be downloaded from college website. I will upload the link in description box. And then soft copy or hard copy of application should reach the principal on or before 20th February 2021. Soft copy should be sent to recruitment@klecet.edu.in. And it's also written pay scale and qualification are as per AICTE and society norms. So you can apply for this post, means professor, assistant professor, instructor, physical director and assistant librarian. Qualification, if you are fulfilling that, then you can apply. The next vacancy is in Bara Prasad Reddy Institute of Technology. It is in Guntur district in Andhra Pradesh. They have in this college there is going on walk-in interview on 14th of February 2021. You have to report by 9:45. They have vacancies for professor, associate professor, and assistant professor in the department of mechanical, civil, electronics communication, electrical, electronics, chemistry, physics, mathematics, English, internet of things, cyber security, artificial intelligence, data science, and for MBA department. You can there is also vacancies for placement officer. If you are graduate with sufficient number of experience in training and placement cell, then you can apply for this post. There is also vacancy for site engineer. If you have diploma or BE Tech in civil engineering, then you can apply. DTP operator, also they have vacancy. For that you have knowledge of DTP work. Next vacancy is for accountant. If you have graduate with tally knowledge, then you can apply for accountant post. Next vacancy is for lab assistant, system administrator. In the department civil, electrical, electronics communication, mechanical, and mechanical, pharmacy, physics and chemistry. Qualification required is diploma or BE Tech or BSc degree. Next vacancy is for programmer. If you are diploma or BE Tech in computer science or MCA, then you can apply for programmer post. Next vacancy is transport supervisor. If you are graduate with relevant work experience, then you can apply for this transport supervisor. And last vacancy is for warden in a boys hostel. If you have work experience in this warden, then you can apply for that. That will be given an advantage. So that's all about today. If you have liked the video, please share it with other friends also who have required this, and please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.